Malta is a beautiful archipelago in the Mediterranean Sea known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Here are some of the top tourist areas to explore in Malta. Valletta, Malta's capital city. Valletta is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its historic significance, Baroque architecture, and cultural attractions. Visit St. John's Co-Cathedral, Upper Baraka Gardens, Grand Master's Palace, and the National Museum of Archaeology. Mdina, often referred to as the Silent City, Mdina is a fortified medieval town with narrow streets, beautiful palaces, and stunning views. Explore St. Paul's Cathedral, enjoy the panoramic vistas from the city walls, and wander through its charming alleys. Gozo, take a short ferry ride to Gozo, Malta's sister island, known for its picturesque countryside, stunning beaches, and historical sites like the Gontaija temples and the Citadel in Victoria, Rabat. Don't miss the Azure Window, formerly a natural rock arch that collapsed in 2017 but remains a popular spot. Blue Lagoon, located on the small island of Comino, the Blue Lagoon is a must-visit for its crystal-clear turquoise waters, ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and relaxing. The area is known for its breathtaking beauty and attracts many visitors during the summer months. Marsakslok, this traditional fishing village is famous for its colorful Sunday fish market where you can experience the local culture, taste fresh seafood, and see the traditional Maltese boats known as luzzas. Hypogeum of Halsafliani, an underground prehistoric burial site dating back over 5,000 years, the Hypogeum is a fascinating archaeological site that requires advance booking due to limited daily visitors. Popeye Village, built as a movie set for the 1980 musical film Popeye, this charming village in Anchor Bay has been preserved as a family-friendly attraction with various activities, shows, and photo opportunities. Hiking and outdoor activities. Malta offers opportunities for outdoor enthusiasts with scenic coastal walks, hiking trails, and water sports like diving, snorkeling, and sailing around its pristine waters. Cultural festivals. Experience the vibrant cultural scene by attending local festivals and events such as the Malta International Arts Festival, the Malta Jazz Festival, and traditional village festas with fireworks and religious processions. Food and cuisine. Indulge in Maltese cuisine by trying local dishes like rabbit stew, fenkata, pastitsi, pastries filled with ricotta or peas, fdera, Maltese bread, and enjoy a glass of local wine or the iconic herbal liqueur, Bajtra. Remember to check for any travel advisories or updated information regarding tourist sites and activities before planning your visit to Malta.